Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to empty out the Shark CarpetXpert cleaning vacuum. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got this vacuum or are wondering how to use it. In order to empty out the tank, all you got to do is go ahead and press on this latch and then pull it straight forward. And this is where the dirty water is actually going to be contained. So afterwards, just go ahead and pop this lid open by pulling it from both sides and spilling it out just like that. Now keep in mind that you do need to go ahead and wash the filters, air dry it afterwards. Just use soap and water, very simple soap and water cleaning solution. But as far as that goes, that is how you go ahead and empty out the dirty tank on the Shark CarpetXpert. In order to return it back in, you simply just push it forward like that, wait until it clicks, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.